This muscle top is nice. I don't know if I like it or if I don't. It is officially the weekend. I'm getting ready to work on some cookie orders that I have to package for pickup today. I'm excited about that, but today's gonna be like a deep clean, kind of like a spring clean. I have so much clothes that I need to get rid of. Not rid of, but I need to like store away because it's just taking up space. The weather's getting warmer. I gotta bring in my summer clothes, my spring clothes. So today's gonna be a good day. These are the two boxes that I keep my summer clothes in. They're fairly small, so I'm not sure how much winter stuff I can fit in here. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started and start unloading this. And I need to put away all of these like thick sweaters and jackets and cropped, knitted, anything that's knitted and heavy, like I'm gonna put away. I already have right here all of the jackets that I had in the loft, so basically, I need to get this done. Not much fit in here. So I have to figure out where I'm gonna put all these jackets. This is all like spring clothes that I just don't, spring and summer clothes that I just don't think that I'm gonna wear anymore. So I'm gonna donate these, and then these over here are pieces that I'm gonna style in a video soon. So I'm gonna put these all in the loft on my clothing rack so that I can style these. Here's how my closet's looking. I still have sweaters out because this is more like loungewear when I'm home. But I organized my bottoms. So here I have like trousers and linen bottoms. Here I have shorts, and then I have my sweatpants right here because even in spring I still keep these out and available for like, you know, housewear, loungewear. And I have a random eraser right here. What the heck? So I just got in the mail the new KKW and Chris fragrance. Really excited to smell it. I've heard really good things about it. I'm gonna spritz it. Whoa. Wow. I don't know if I like it or if I don't. It's really interesting. Wow. This is not what I thought it was gonna be. It's not bad. Okay. It's not bad. Like, it smells fragrancy, but it's just not really my cup of tea. Usually I like something that's a little bit more fresh. This is very sweet, in my opinion. But, I mean, I already got it, so I'm gonna have to use it. I don't know how I feel. I think it's gonna take me a little bit of a while to get used to. It's wedding day! Eric and I have a wedding to attend today, and it's very exciting because it's one of our dear friends. Obviously, it's not in person, it's on Zoom.
I gladly pronounce husband and wife. Sarah, you make this so wild.
I was doing an online order on Ulta, and I realized that they're doing curbside pickup. So I was like, oh my gosh, I might as well go pick it up instead of doing regular mail, you know, delivery. The only catch is that it's in a different state. So I'm just gonna take a quick little road trip to Virginia. And it's like a 38-minute drive, so it's not that bad. But I'm excited. I haven't driven my car in so long. I don't even have gas in it because that's how long it's been since I drove. But I want to show you guys my outfit really quick. I'm like so excited to go down the road for a little trip. So I'm wearing my off-white Oswego's, these sweatpants this bodysuit, and then a leather jacket because I want to be comfy. This is how I'm pumping gas safely. Glove. Regular. I'm going to get a green smoothie from Panera. The smoothie is so good. I love it. It's so fresh, and well, it tastes fresh. I don't know if it is fresh, but it tastes fresh. Usually with like road trips, this isn't really a road trip. I'm just calling it a road trip because I'm literally like crossing state lines, but Virginia is down the road. It's like a 40-minute drive. So usually I get coffee to kind of keep myself awake, but the coffee I had this morning was strong, so I'm feeling fine. So I kind of just got something that's a little bit more refreshing. I made it to my destination. Hi. Thank you so much. You too. Wow. This is lit. So I originally went to Ulta because I really needed a moisturizer because I ran out of my moisturizer. So let's start with what I originally went to pick up. And I wanted to try out a new moisturizer. I've been using the Clinique Dramatically Different Gel Moisturizer for a long time, but I wanted to switch it up. So I picked up this Peter Thomas Roth Hyaluronic Cloud Cream, and I heard that this is really good for oily skin because it's oil-free, paraben-free, all that good stuff. So I always need like a moisturizer like that that's not too heavy since my skin is very oily. And this is what it looks like. It's a pretty nice size jar. Then I picked up this Way Rose Hair and Body Oil. I'm thinking about mixing some of this body oil with my lotion when I apply it on my skin, so I'm a little bit more moisturized. And then I picked up 2 Jaclyn Hill palettes, just because I literally need to get rid of like most of my makeup. All of the eye palettes that I've had for over 2 years, most of them, except for like 2 or 3 that I picked up recently, like in the last year. But it's just not good to have makeup that long, so I'm thinking about getting rid of a lot of my palettes and just like stocking up on new ones. This is Armed and Gorgeous. It's so nice. I love how it's very like earth toned. And this one is Ring the Alarm. It's a lot more of like the mauves and the dark wine colors, really pretty. And then I picked up the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Ashburn. This is the brow pencil that I use for my brows. I had to stock up on that. Then I picked up 2 eyeliners from NYX. One of them is black, one of them is white. And I picked up the It Cosmetics CC Cream in the light to medium shade. The one that I have is in medium, and it's way too dark. Like my skin, you can tell it's like a completely different color. So I picked up the light to medium one. That way, hopefully this is a better match for me. And then I picked up this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek, which is in the shade Between the Sheets. I ended up going to Walmart because I had to pick up some essentials from there. So I picked up some lashes because Ulta didn't have any lashes. So I got these Ardell Faux Mink ones in the wispy style. And then I got these Ardell lashes in 421. They're all pretty natural but glam. And then I got these double up ones, which are basically regular wispies just doubled, so they're a little bit fuller. And that's basically all that I got at Ulta. So it was definitely worth it. Definitely worth the drive. So I just got my package from Nasty Gal. I want to do a little haul for you guys of the things that I bought. The first item that I got, it's like a corduroy oversized shirt. I'm wearing workout pants, but I really like the material. You can see it's like that, I think it's called corduroy style, but I really love it, and I love the sleeves. When I first ordered from Nasty Gal, I didn't get the right jean size because their sizing is so difficult, but finally a pair of jeans that fit comfortably. Don't mind my socks. But I love these pair of jeans, guys. They are flared at the bottom, so they're perfect for like sneakers, like very casual. They almost remind me of slouchy pants. Like, you know, those pants that are super just like street style and loose. I really needed just like a basic top because I don't have one, and I love the way this fits. It is pretty tight, but just a nice basic to have. So I wish I would have gotten like maybe a 10, so it's a little bit looser, but I like it. The last thing that I got was a muscle tee. I really, like I said, just wanted basics. like spring basics that I can style. And this muscle tee has shoulder puffers, so that's interesting. Because usually like muscle tees are more casual. Ooh, this muscle top is nice. I think the puffy sleeves definitely make a difference. Makes it look so much more like casual and much more than just a t-shirt. I really like that detail. So Nasty Gal order was a success. Everything fit nicely. Thank the Lord. I am getting ready to work out. So I'm going to take some pre-workout. This is the Alani Nu pre-workout. And I feel like this just gives me a nice little boost. I try my best to not do pre-workout like as much as I can. But on days like this, it's Friday, it's 8:30, and I need a little boost. Perfect. I'm gonna do hot coffee because it's a rainy day today and I want something that'll relax me a little. So I'm gonna go with my favorite, Colombia. So I'm all showered up and I wanted to share with you guys this really good French style recipe that I've been following for eggs. I found it online and it is just the perfect like breakfast, super quick. This recipe is like the perfect gourmet breakfast in under 10 minutes. So here I just have 4 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and a little bit of butter, and I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the oven on broil high for about 2 minutes or until it's nice and browned. This is how the heavy whipping cream and the butter should look like after it's nice and browned. So now I'm gonna show you guys what I'm putting in next. Be very careful because the handle is so hot. I burn myself all the time. I actually did this tutorial on my IG story and I burned myself on there. So you're gonna go in with 2 eggs or however many you want. This recipe is for 2 eggs. So I'm gonna go in with 2 eggs and then I'm going to season it with some salt, some Himalayan pink salt, and then I'm going to season it with some pepper. And then I'm going to season it with some oregano. The star of the show is freshly grated Parmesan cheese. This is what's going to give it that nice French style taste. So I'm just going to grate some Parmesan cheese over it. This is how the 2 eggs looked, nice and seasoned. So now we're going to pop it back in the oven for 3 to 4 minutes. Oh yeah, looks so perfect. I have to grab it very carefully because broil high is no joke. Here are the eggs freshly out of the oven. I like them not too runny, so that's why I leave it in there until it gets like nice and browned. But this is it. This is French styled eggs. So the only thing I'm missing is some fruit. I need some freshness on here. If you want, you can put some sriracha on the eggs or some salsa if you want like a little bit more of a taste. But just like that, it tastes like the perfect French style egg. I'm gonna do 1 strawberry. And voila, breakfast is served.